Hello again. So this video is about how to organize your Google Drive. And so the first thing I want to tell you is you need to think about this as just like a binder. Okay, we've got our binder and we have our tabs on the side. We have our information within it. And then, like our notes or worksheet, whatever assignment we got from the teacher. And then at the top of that assignment is going to be the name of it. Okay, so those are the two things that we still do when we're trying to organize it digitally on a computer. Okay, so I've given you examples of how I do it. Okay, so over here on the left, we've got our folders. So as you can tell, I've got my different classes that I teach, different stuff that I as a teacher need. For you, you're just going to organize it by period. We're going to start off that way. So you'll have P1, whatever class that is. Well, I guess you don't have a first period, so it'll be P2, whatever class that is, and then go down through the rest of your schedule, creating folders for it. You can put the date next to it as well. So an example of that would be like, let's see here, at P2, Avid 2021. Okay. And then we could do P3, World History 20. That's 21 again. Okay. So that's easy way to organize, name your folders, etc. And of course, you'll do that in your actual Google Drive, which you access the same way you access anything else. Go to the waffle, click on your drive, and then just like email, we have new in the corner. We'll go to folder up here, create the folder. You'll title it when it pops up instead of doing it the way I did. Rename, and then you can change the color as you want as well. So that's how we will set up our folders. And then our naming system, okay, or nomenclature. Naming system is just another way of doing the same thing. That's not true. It's just another way of organizing it. I mean, doing the same thing, organizing it. So you can see how I've done it. All right. Every single one of these starts with a W, because guess what? Every single one of these is a world history assignment. And then next to it, I have the week. So that's the 21st week of the school year. And then we have a period, and the number after that is number 1. So we know that this is a world history assignment, the 21st week of the school year, and it's a Monday assignment. And we go down here. Same thing again. This is a Tuesday assignment. That again is a Tuesday assignment. And we go through all the rest of it, and then we see, so that's all the 21st week. That's all in the same week. Oh, down here, 22. Okay. So we know that's the next week's entry task. You should probably do the same thing. If you have another idea for how you want to develop your naming system, that's A-okay with me. Be creative with it. Figure out what works for you. If you want to steal my same system and just title it the day you made the doc, right? You just, when you open up the document, you just go up to the top, type in, okay, this is my biology class, so it'll start with a B, and then you'll put whatever week of school it is. I'm giving this to you, I'll say the first week of school, or second week of school, whichever way you want to look at it. And then you'll say, okay, today's Tuesday, so I'll put a period 2, and then title it whatever you want to. Okay, and that, having that start off, that first start, right, the first 3 letters or whatever of your document being the same every single time is very helpful for organizing within your folders. Okay, so once again, I'm going to kind of leave it up to you to figure out how you want to do that, but being consistent is the number one thing. Sticking with that system is the most important piece. That's the only way it's going to be effective for your organization. And then, of course, you just do the same thing I did over here. You screenshot your folders. But this is where it's going to be different for you because you haven't titled all of your stuff, and you're not really going to because you don't have them yet. So you're just going to explain it to me. Um, how whatever you've come up with. If you're going to do the same thing I do, then just explain how mine works and say that you're going to do the same thing. Once again, if you need help with that, just schedule office hours, anything like that with your teacher, and we can help you figure it out.